In this video, I will show you how to apply a brand style to all visuals in Napkin AI. To apply a custom brand to all visuals on a page at once, I first ensure my brand is active in the Style menu. Then I open the Brand Studio menu, click the three-dot menu on the custom brand card, and select Apply to All. This instantly updates every visual on the page to match my brand. If I only want to update a single visual, I select it first, then go to the Brand Studio menu and click the three-dot icon on the custom brand card. From there, I click the three-dot menu next to my preferred brand and choose Apply to Selection. There is also a handy alternative way to do this through the Frame menu. I select the visual's frame and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. I then click Change Branding to see my available styles based on my active brands. Once I choose my custom brand, the visual updates immediately to match my branding. This makes it incredibly easy to keep my documents consistent and professional with just a few clicks. And there you have it. That's the complete process of applying a brand style to all visuals in Napkin AI.